Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhilash Sinari. So today we'll learn how to find trigonometric ratios for 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Okay, so first we'll go through some basic things. First of all, consider a right angle triangle like this. Okay, if this is any angle theta, either this or this, any one we can take. So if this is theta, then the side opposite to it, okay, side in front of it, this is called as opposite side. Side opposite to this 90 degree is called as hypotenuse, and the remaining side is called as adjacent side. Okay, next, sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse side. Okay, opposite side upon hypotenuse, just remember this. Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is actually this upon this, sin theta upon cos theta. So opposite side upon adjacent side. Okay, this side upon this side. Next, cosec theta is actually reciprocal of sin theta. See, sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, so cosec theta is hypotenuse upon opposite. Next, sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. If cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent. And cot theta is reciprocal of this. It is adjacent upon opposite. If tan theta is opposite upon adjacent, cot theta is adjacent upon opposite. In short, you can write it like this to remember. Okay, you can write like this: sin, cos, tan at the top. Okay, cosec, sec, cot. Okay, down. Then just write like this: O A O H H A, and remember this. Okay, so from this you can easily test. Okay, first sin theta opposite upon hypotenuse, cosec theta is hypotenuse upon opposite. Okay, cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse, sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent. Okay, tan theta opposite upon adjacent, cot theta adjacent upon opposite. Okay, next thing that you have to remember is the triangles: 30, 60, 90 triangle and 45, 45, 90 triangle. Okay, so they are like this. First, 30, 60, 90 triangle. So this is 90 degree, this is 30 degree, and this is 60 degree. 1, 2 and root 3. Next, 45, 45, 90 triangle. Okay, 45 degree, 45 degree, and this is 90 degree. 1, 1 and root 2. So these things you have to remember. You can find your own way to remember this. Okay, or I have one way to remember that. Okay, see, it is like this. Imagine there is a slide like this. Okay, so first, when you come to a slide, what you will do first? We will climb from here, means there are steps here. So what you will do? We will climb from here to here. Okay, so this is first step. After that, what we will do? We will slide from here. Okay, so this is the second step, and finally we will again come back here to slide. So this is the third step. So just imagine there is a roof here. Okay, there is some roof here, and you have to go from under the roof. Okay, so third step is like this. So I told you to imagine that roof, so that, yeah, roof like this. Okay, so that you can remember root from that. Okay, so this is root 3. So you are coming, first climbing, second sliding, and third going under the roof, and then coming back here. Okay, next this, yeah, again the angles also you have to remember. Okay, so just remember, whenever it is a slide, okay, this angle should be always smaller, obviously. Okay, and this is greater. Okay, the slope should be as less as possible. You can't have slide like this. Okay, understood? Next we have 45, 45, 90 triangle. Okay, so that you can imagine like this. For example, see, this is 45, this is 45. Okay, just imagine there is one thief here and there is one police here. Okay, and this is jeep of police that you can put as root like this. Okay, now they both didn't see each other, so police went this side, okay, thief went this side, and when thief reached here, police saw him from here, okay, and then he caught him, then he took him in this jeep, means both of those sat in this jeep and both of them went, okay, in the police station, okay. Like this you have to you can remember, or you can make your own way to remember this, okay. So two things that you have to remember like this. First of all, OAO HHA, okay, sin cos tan cosec sec cot, and then those two triangles 30 60, okay. Climb from here, so first, slide from here, so second, and then going under this roof, so third, and then coming back here, okay, like this. Next 45 45 90, so one thief here, one police here. When they both reached here, police saw the thief, and then he took him in this jeep and they went to the police station. So like this you can remember these two, okay. Next, now we can easily find trigonometric ratios for any, means if we know these three things, okay. For example, sine of 45 degree, how to find sine 45 degree? So just write like this in your answer paper, and then easily you can do this. See, sine of 45 degree, sine opposite upon hypotenuse, 45 degrees were here, opposite means side in front of that 45 degree, 1, okay, and hypotenuse is side opposite to this 90 degree, 1 root 2, so 1 upon root 2, okay. Similarly, cos of 30 degree, so cos is here adjacent upon hypotenuse, so 30 degree, so adjacent to this is this root 3, okay, and hypotenuse opposite to this 2, okay, so root 3 upon 2. Similarly, cot of 60 degree, so cot is like this, adjacent upon opposite. See, if tan is opposite upon adjacent, cot is adjacent upon opposite. So adjacent to 60 degree, this is 60 degree, see this is opposite, this is 60 degree, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse obviously because this is opposite to 90 degree, okay. So obviously this is adjacent, okay. So adjacent is this, adjacent upon opposite, root 3, adjacent, okay, adjacent upon opposite for cot, adjacent upon opposite, okay. So 1 upon root 3, this is cot. Same way, if you are asked like this, tan of pi by 3, then what to do? You have to convert this into degrees first, and it is very easy. Just remember this pi is there, in place of that pi you can put 180 degree, okay. This I did in the last class. So 180 upon 3 6 so 60 degree, okay. So tan of 60 degree is what? Now you can find from here 60 degree. Tan is opposite upon adjacent, 60 degrees here, opposite to 60 degrees root 3, and adjacent is 1, okay. So root 3 upon 1, which is root 3, okay. Similarly, sec of pi by 4, now pi by 4, sec of 180 degree upon 4. In last class we saw, or you can divide in this and check, and you can remember this also. See, 4 4 is 16, 2 0, 4 5 is 20, so 45 degree. So sec of 45 degree, or you remember whenever we divide by 4 it is 45 degree, okay. 180 by 4, whenever divide 180 by 4 it is 45. So sec of 45 degree, so 45 degree is here, sec is like this, hypotenuse upon adjacent, okay, hypotenuse upon adjacent. Hypotenuse is what? Root 2, and adjacent is 1, so root 2 upon 1, which is root 2, okay. So like this we can find trigonometric ratios for 30, 45 and 60 degree for all this, okay. So thank you and have a nice day.